Today we are going to be showing the Prinsu Pro on the new Land Cruiser 250. So this is a customer's 250 here that we've been working on. We did the Rapid Flow suspension, 35-inch tires, SCS wheels, and he did this really cool wrap on the side here. Full ceramic coating and everything, so it's fully protected for the paint. But let's talk about the roof rack. So Prinsu came out with the Prinsu Pro. The original Prinsu has been around for a long time, so it was time that they came out with a top tier version. So this is what this is. It's two plates on the side, so it adds a ton of strength for anything that you're putting on top of it. And on top of that, they have a new upgraded low bar or crossbar that is going to be way stronger than anything else that's on the market that kind of everybody uses. It's a 2x1 extruded crossbar, and it's rounded on the bottom. So if you're using anything to clamp it underneath, it's going to be super strong, like a rooftop tent, for example. And of course, it has the front fairing that will allow you to run a light bar or no light bar, like what you see here. And then what we have mounted to that is a new product that we are carrying here at R4T. This is the Kamik Crosswing, and probably one of my favorite products just because of this right here. It is a freestanding awning that you can whip out within seconds and have instant shade pretty much anywhere you want. And then you can ratchet it to put some tension on it and then lock it in place so that way it doesn't come back in. And it has pins underneath, so you can open it all the way or open it halfway or just a tiny bit if you'd like to. But this is pretty sweet, and it comes in this tan color and in a gray color as well. This is the 7-foot, which fits the Land Cruiser roof rack really well, and it comes in and out really easy. And then these straps have a little tiny magnet on them, so when you clip them to be stowed away, it is super easy to do so. And then you just lock it in place just like that. But that is mounted to the rooftop tent that we have on top of the Prinsu Pro here. And this is, the tent itself is provided by the customer. They already had it on a separate vehicle, so they just brought it in and had us transfer it over to this vehicle. This here is the Prinsu Molly panel. It's a very large panel, as you can see here. The window on the Land Cruiser 250 ends about right here, but Prinsu decided to extend it all the way to maximize the space so you can mount pretty much anything you want. And they give you a variety of holes, slots, and patterns, so that way you can mount pretty much anything from Maxtrax to Rotopacks to anything you want, diesel heaters, whatever you want, you can put it on this. We did it on both sides, so this side and the passenger side both have it. And in my opinion, the Prinsu Pro is definitely one of the roof racks I would highly recommend, and that's what we sell here for the new Land Cruiser 250. But that's going to be pretty much it for this video. If you guys are new here, subscribe to the channel, let us know what you guys want to see, and we'll see you guys next time.